Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to talk about Instagram and how to grow a following. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Gary V Instagram strategy, or like some people like to call it, the $1.80 strategy. But I'm going to show you a different way. It kind of plays into exactly what he's talking about, but we take it up a notch. So just watch this entire video. I'm going to explain the whole thing, how it works, how you can do it, and how I've been seeing some great results from it. So let's hop over to, go right here. Let's explain what this strategy is for those of you that don't know. And I'm going to explain what I do. So what Gary Vaynerchuk says, and if you don't know who he is, you probably should. He's very popular. He has like 2.5 million followers over on Instagram. He's a pretty engaging guy. Anyway, what he says is go type in a hashtag. For example, success, motivation, Gary V, whatever it is. Okay, you put that in over on Instagram, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a second. But then you give your 2 cents on all 9 of the top posts. The reason why you do this is there's actually 2 reasons why. First one is the person that put that post on there, that account holder, they might see that you commented and added value, and they might go like your page. The second reason why is because when you comment on these, the other people that go and comment on these top posts probably will see your comment. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second as well. But we're also going to step it up a notch, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So that's all you have to do. Go and comment on the top 9. Okay, how do you do that? And then you do it for 10 different hashtags. You do this every single day. Yes, it does take time. If you do it on your phone, it took me about an hour and it was like an hour 20 minutes, hour and 15 minutes to type it on my phone. Then I did it on the computer, and it took me about 35 to 40 minutes to do exactly what I'm going to show you. So let's jump over to Instagram, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay. Here we are. We're on my Homemade Entrepreneur Instagram account. The one that I was doing this for is not the Homemade Entrepreneur account. The one that I was doing this exact same strategy for, it was for a Shopify account, and I had tremendous results from it, but that's not the point. I just want to show you the strategy. So let's say we type in success. If I could spell. Success. There we go. Okay. So here we are. What we're going to do now is we're going to comment on this one. So it says, today they will call you crazy. Tomorrow they will call you your boss. Actually, I already did success. Motivational quotes. Let's do that one. Okay. Do more things that make you forget to check your phone. Okay, so all you got to do, come over here and add a comment. Let's see, what should our comment be? Do more things that make you forget to check your phone. My advice is to stop checking your phone and either read a book, meditate, or just relax for a bit. This will help clear up your mind. Okay, something like that. And you can put emojis, you can do all that stuff. Enter. There you go. There's one. Okay. Now move on to the next one, and I'm just gonna keep going. Okay. So you can do that if you want to, and I highly recommend it because it does build your engagement, does build a following. It shows people that you are interested in what they're talking about. Okay. So here's one thing I want to explain to you guys. Do you think this person that is only following 445 people, but they have almost 400,000 followers, do you think they're going to go like your page because you commented? Probably not. But one of the things you can do is you can go and comment on some of these. Okay, so you can go and reply to some of these. You're gonna have to do this on your phone, but you'll get the idea. But you can go and reply to some of the other comments that people have. Okay, give a little bit more, be engaging. Maybe it says even better things that make you forget your phone. I don't know what this person said, but go and comment on exactly what it is that they comment on, because now not only is this account right here gonna see your post or see your comment and all the people that were doing that, but now this person, let's say this Somia5, who only has 2,000 followers and is following 742, chances are she's going to come and follow you. So just by doing one extra thing. Pick the very top, okay? So pick the very top post for your 10 hashtags. So let's go back here. So pick this post every single time and comment and do a reply on one person's comment. Okay, and pick one that is actually engaging, not nice post, great, fire, emojis. Don't do that because it's probably just a bot. Go and actually comment on somebody that is, leaving an engaging comment, trying to add value. That's how you're gonna grow your Instagram account. Okay, let's pick another one. Let's do entrepreneurship 101. Here is one thing I want to tell you guys. Let's actually go entrepreneurship. You see how there's almost 7 million posts. You see how there's 46,000 posts. The reason why you want to comment on these ones is because you can leave an engaging comment, and if your comment is pushed up to the very top, so it's different on the computer than it is on the phone. But if your comment is, because if you go here, it's just loading them by time, okay, by how many people have commented. It's just going all in order. On your phone, it's not going that way, okay. On your phone, let me see. Usually it's the most engaging or best comment first. So you can do whatever you want, but that's what I recommend. Okay, so that you have to do on your phone to actually respond to somebody, but do this every single day, because the more you do it, the more, and you can do it more than just 10 hashtags, but choose hashtags. Let's say you do entrepreneurship tips, entrepreneurship goals, entrepreneurship 101, entrepreneurship or entrepreneur goals, entrepreneur success story, whatever. Okay, you have 10 and you're targeting entrepreneur. That's great for today. Target motivation tomorrow, target success the next day, target lifestyle the next day, target business the next day, and have like 5 or 7 different hashtags that you're really trying to go after, or different like subsets of categories or of the hashtag. So business, entrepreneurship, success, motivation, lifestyle, online, you can go into, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, private label, eBay, whatever you want to do. Okay, that's just examples that I'm doing. Okay, or I do. But have those different like subsets, and then every single day, every Monday, it's motivation. Every Tuesday, success. Every Wednesday, it's entrepreneurship, and you just keep cycling through, because every single week there's gonna be different hashtags, different photos up here that are more and more popular. Okay, so like I said, find the top post, and here's, again, let me go back to this really quick. Tip for you guys: don't always focus on the biggest post. The reason why is because usually they have a lot of comments. Okay, Entrepreneurship 101 has 58 comments. Let's go here. Let's just go to entrepreneurship. This one right here has 2,397 comments. What is the likelihood your comment is going to be seen by a bunch of people? Probably not going to be seen. It is because of that very reason. Comment on both big posts, big hashtags like this, or like entrepreneurship, but also smaller ones like this. Only have 46,000. I like to be under 500,000 when I do my hashtags. The reason why is because I can be more engaging. I can get the people to actually comment, interact with me. Hopefully the pages will come back and like my page as well. If not, no big deal. Just keep doing it. So again, that is the $1.80 Instagram strategy that Gary Vaynerchuk talks about. I understand it is going to take a little bit of time. Like I said, do it on the computer. It will take you hopefully under an hour. And on my Shopify one, I'm not going to say what the category or the niche is, but I was getting right about 34 to 40 new followers every single day by using this strategy. Like I said, it took me about 30 to 40 minutes. So I was getting about 1 new follower for every single minute I was interacting with people. Could you go and do more? Yeah. I've had people that told me that they were doing it twice a day. I talked to somebody that's doing network marketing. She's doing it 3 times a day. Okay, she does a morning, afternoon, and a nighttime one, and she's seen just a tremendous amount of success. It's a new page, and she's getting over 100 new followers every single day from using this strategy, from using quality hashtags, quality photos, and absolutely no advertising. So if you want to grow your Instagram account, this strategy does work. It will take time. It is something that you can outsource. Okay, if you have questions on how you outsource it, where you find somebody to outsource these tasks to, you can let me know in the comment section below, and we can go from there. But if you guys aren't currently following me, where am I at? Here we are. So if you guys aren't currently following me, go watch this video. Let me know what you think. Do you like posts like this? Okay, go click on the link below. I think it's above somewhere too as well. Go follow me over on Instagram. Go to instagram.com/homemade-entrepreneur, or just type in homemade entrepreneur, one word on Instagram, and follow me there. But let me know what you think of this one. Let me play it. Do you like quotes like this, or would you rather have it static like that? Let me know. Put it in the comment section below. Which one do you prefer? Image / video style like this with music, or static posts like that? Anyway, that's the question of the day. So anyway, go follow me, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, want more videos on Instagram and marketing online in general. Make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe today so you don't miss any more of my videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.